again, Dora.
Thanks, Jamie. You too.
You're like a rock star.
I know.
Oh, hi there. And welcome to Play in the Park. Jamie and Dora. Dora
Hi.
from the library. Well, thanks for that story, Dora. That was great. I love listening to your stories. But we've got to get into a bit of cool STEM stuff now. What's STEM stuff? Oh, I think I know. It stands for socks, tea cozies, eggs, and mice.
No, Jamie. It's for science, technology, engineering,
Yeah.
and maths.
Oh, maths.
Fun.
I can do maths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But that's for next time. Right now, we're going to be making a lever and testing the load.
Do you want me to show you some of the parts of the seesaw?
What seesaw?
This one that we're going to play with today.
Ah, cool, yeah.
Okay, so we've got a ruler here, and that's going to be the lever. We've got a Duplo block, and that's going to be the fulcrum because that's where the lever can pivot on. And we've got a load. Can you guess what the load is? That's right, it's Floki the flamingo.
Oh, hello, Flaky.
Hi, Jamie.
And what are we going to do? Are we going to put something at the other end?
Yeah, let's see if we can lift Floki up off the ground. Let's try some of these little bears. I'll put one bear over here.
Ooh, what do you think? Is one bear enough to lift him?
Not yet. Two bears.
2 bears will lift him. 2.
Ooh.
No. 3 bears. That'll definitely do it. 3 bears. Oh, the 3 bears. Wonder if they've been eating porridge.
Not enough by the look of it. They're still not heavy enough.
Didn't lift it. We might need all the bears. Or is there something else we could do?
There is something else we can do. It's got something to do with this fulcrum, I think.
Oh. Could we move the fulcrum?
Yeah, let's try that. Okay, let's move the fulcrum this way. And does that help Floki go up?
Is it working? Is it? No, didn't work.
Okay, I'll pop it back in the middle. And maybe let's try moving it the other way.
Yeah.
Let's see.
We can see what happens. Will it work?
Oh, nearly. There we go.
Yay!
We've moved the fulcrum closer to our load, and that's helped Floki up off the ground. Now the little bears and Floki can seesaw up and down all day long.
Whoa. Hey, have you ever been on a seesaw? Have you ever had mum or dad at one end of the seesaw and you at the other end? If you did that, who do you think would be the heaviest and go down to the ground? I think it might be mum or dad. You'll have to test that out.
You could make one of these at home. Just don't forget to let all your little teddies have a turn.
You could make your own seesaw. All it takes is a ruler and a block. Oh, hey, thanks for showing me a fulcrum and a seesaw and a lever and testing loads. This has been lots of fun, Dora.
Thanks, Jamie.
See you next time.
Bye.